Reviews Inside TV, welcome back. And today we're talking about a vacuum that tries to blur the line between mopping and deep suction cleaning without asking you to switch tools halfway through the job. The product on the floor today is the Mova X4 Pro Wet and Dry Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a machine built around hot water cleaning, high suction, and a very clear promise of zero hair tangles. On paper, it's designed for people dealing with sticky spills, pet hair, and everyday messes who want faster results with less hands-on maintenance. So let's slow things down and look at what that really means in real homes. At its core, the X4 Pro is a cordless wet and dry vacuum mop, not a traditional dry-only stick vacuum. It vacuums debris while washing hard floors at the same time, using a powered roller brush and a continuous flow of clean water. One of its headline features is hot water cleaning, heating water up to around 176 degrees Fahrenheit. In practical terms, hot water matters because it breaks down dried-on grime, greasy footprints, and sticky spills far more effectively than cold water, reducing the need to go over the same spot again and again. Pair that with a claimed 20,000 pascals of suction, which is a measurement of how strongly the vacuum pulls debris into the system, and you're looking at a machine that's meant to lift both liquid messes and heavier particles in a single pass. This type of vacuum is built primarily for sealed hard floors, like tile, vinyl, laminate, and sealed wood. It's not designed to replace a carpet vacuum for deep pile rugs, but for everyday floor maintenance, especially in kitchens, dining areas, and pet zones. That combined vacuum and mop approach is exactly what many buyers are after. Filtration here is more about keeping dirty water separated from clean water rather than HEPA-level air filtration, which is typical for wet and dry vacuums. Allergy sufferers should understand that this style of cleaner excels at trapping dust and allergens in water instead of blowing them back into the air. But it's still meant to complement, not fully replace, a dedicated dry vacuum with advanced filtration. The water tanks are split between clean and dirty water, which means you're always washing the floor with fresh water rather than spreading dirty residue around. Capacity is sized for full home cleaning sessions, and in normal use, you're emptying the dirty tank after each full clean rather than mid-session. Runtime is rated at up to 45 minutes, which is solid for a cordless wet and dry vacuum. And in real terms, that's enough to cover large apartments or multi-room homes as long as you're not constantly using maximum power modes. Handling is another area where the X4 Pro leans into usability. The head can lie fully flat at 180 degrees, allowing it to slide under beds, sofas, and low cabinets where grime loves to hide. Add to that a 60-degree swivel, and it feels more agile than many bulkier floor washers. The LED-lit brush head is one of those features that sounds small until you use it. Then you realize how much debris hides in shadowed corners and under furniture. One of the biggest pain points with wet and dry vacuums is hair wrap, especially in homes with pets or long hair. Mova tackles this with a toothed scraper comb built into the system, designed to pull hair off the roller before it wraps. In practice, that means less stopping, less cutting hair off the brush, and far less mess during maintenance. It's one of those features that directly addresses real frustration rather than adding marketing fluff. Setup is straightforward. Out of the box, assembly is minimal, and the push-in charging station removes the awkward dance of lining up contacts or lifting a heavy unit. You simply push it into the dock, and it switches off and charges automatically, reaching a full charge in about 45 minutes. That fast charging time makes it easier to use this vacuum daily rather than planning your cleaning around battery anxiety. In real-world cleaning, hard floors are where the X4 Pro shines. Fine dust, crumbs, and everyday dirt disappear quickly, and sticky messes like dried juice or food spills lift more easily thanks to the hot water flow. You don't get that smeary feeling some cold water floor washers leave behind. Along walls and baseboards, the edge cleaning is strong, and the flat lie design makes a noticeable difference under furniture. Long hair stays manageable, and the roller remains cleaner than average, even after full house sessions. This is a good moment to say, if this kind of honest, hands-on breakdown helps you choose the right cleaner for your home, tap like, subscribe to Reviews Inside TV, and hit the bell so you don't miss future reviews. Cleaning tech keeps evolving, and staying informed saves money and frustration. There are limits though, and it's important to be clear about them. This vacuum isn't meant for thick carpets or deep rug cleaning. Low-pile rugs can be refreshed, but if your home is mostly carpeted, this would need to be paired with a dedicated dry vacuum. Noise levels are reasonable for a wet and dry machine, but the self-cleaning and hot air drying cycles are noticeably louder than regular operation. That's not a flaw so much as the reality of high heat drying doing its job. Speaking of self-cleaning, this is one of the X4 Pro's strongest features. After cleaning, the roller brush is rinsed with very hot water, up to boiling range temperatures, then dried with hot air reaching around 194 degrees Fahrenheit. The result is a brush that comes out dry, fluffy, and free of odor, which is something many floor washers struggle with. You can choose a fast drying mode that finishes in minutes, or a quieter cycle that takes longer, but is easier on the ears. Build quality feels solid overall. The plastics don't feel cheap, hinges are tight, and connections don't wobble. The roller housing is well sealed, and tanks slide in and out without forcing. Maintenance is refreshingly simple. Empty the dirty tank, rinse it out, and let the machine handle the rest. Filters and brush access are straightforward, and hair removal is largely automated thanks to the anti-tangle system. When it comes to value for money, the X4 Pro sits in the premium wet and dry category, and its price reflects that. What you're paying for is hot water cleaning, strong suction, excellent self-cleaning, and reduced maintenance. Cheaper floor washers exist, but they often rely on cold water, weaker suction, and manual brush cleaning, which adds time and hassle. If you live in a pet-heavy home, deal with frequent sticky spills, or want something that encourages daily quick cleanse, the value starts to make sense. Compared to other modern wet and dry cordless vacuums released around the same time, the X4 Pro stands out for its heat-based cleaning and fast charging. Some alternatives offer slightly lighter bodies or app-connected features, but few combine this level of suction, zero tangle performance, and high-temperature self-drying in one package. If you're cross-shopping in this category, the key question is whether hot water cleaning and low maintenance matter to you. If they do, this model earns its place. If you mainly want a lightweight mop substitute, you might find simpler options for less money. So where does that leave us? The Mova X4 Pro is best suited for homes with mostly hard floors, busy kitchens, pets, and anyone who wants strong cleaning results without spending time babysitting the machine afterward. It's not a replacement for a carpet vacuum, and it's not the quietest appliance in your home, but it delivers on its main promises with confidence. It cleans effectively, maintains itself well, and removes a lot of everyday friction from floor care. Thanks for spending your time with Reviews Inside TV. If you want to check out the Mova X4 Pro, you'll find the product link waiting for you in the comments box. Drop your questions below, or share your experience if you're already using one at home. Until next time, keep your floors clean, your brushes tangle-free, and remember, smart cleaning always starts with honest reviews. Goodbye till next time.